plan of work because of an innate curiosity about science and because of the increasingly interdisciplinary nature of scientific discoveries. She understands that making connections between traditionally separate scientific disciplines is more critical than ever in an integrated scientific world. To her, friends who describe her, she does it because she is simply good at everything. When back on campus, she took an interdisciplinary approach to her other activities, including singing in the Collegium Cantorum, serving as creative writing editor of the University Scholar, and as chief academic editor for the newly founded University of Dallas Journal of Science. Her honors are also interdisciplinary. She is a member of the Honor Societies for Physics, Biology, and Chemistry, Phi Beta Kappa, and was awarded the Robert A. Welch Undergraduate Chemistry Award. She is an impressive advocate for the work of science and scientists and has presented her work widely, including at a recent American Chemical Society meeting here in Dallas. After UD, she plans to attend graduate school in neuroscience, where she will research autism, an issue she studied at MIT. Her hope as a scientist is to elucidate some of the causes of autism with her keen sense of the relationship between the complex interplay of factors involved. As a skilled writer, she hopes that she is also able to continue to promote understanding of autism spectrum disorders. Those who know her have no doubt about her potential future contributions as a scientist and look forward to see what she will do next. Our second Corbitt recipient is someone who has exceeded expectations and has already begun to make substantial contributions to academia. A summa cum laude graduate in biology with an applied math concentration today, she described herself as someone who has felt her education and spiritual development have been foundation to her next steps after graduation. On campus, she served as an active member of Tri Beta Biological Honor Society and helped to found the UD chapter of the American Society for Microbiology and served as its first president. She was active in clinical volunteer work, spending time as an intern for the university's clinic and for Northeast Methodist Hospital. She has been a member of Best Buddies and Crusaders for Kids her entire time at UD and served as both president and vice president of the UD Earth Science and Science Organization. These experiences are only part of what she has done as an undergraduate, since some of her most significant experiences have been in the laboratory. Our Corbitt recipient is a published scientific author. She has had her work appear in the American Journal of Physiology, Endocrinology, and Metabolism, and the Journal of the Federation of American Societies for Experimental Biology. And she recently completed a talk for the Experimental Biology Conference in San Diego, where she was awarded a student fellowship. She has spent 2 summers conducting research. Her first research experience was as a Howard Hughes Medical Institute Surf Fellow at Louisiana State University, where she studied the role of neuroendocrine cells in salt-sensitive hypertension. In 2013, she received a summer research fellowship to support a second summer of research at UC San Diego, where she explored the dynamics of proteins involved in cell death. Her academic and community activities have prepared her especially well for the next stage, attending medical school at the University of Texas, San Antonio, where she is the recipient of an Endocrine Society Fellowship and hopes to work at the interface of where laboratory work meets clinical application. We know we will see her continuing to make a profound difference to those whose lives she changes as their experienced and capable doctor. We are honored today to be in the company of Olivia R. LaFond and Maureen E. Wandry. The Ann Heller Mabry Award has been given annually for 42 years to an outstanding